introduce how to use our newly designed password lock function. Enter from here the password. Okay. This is the main interface for the password lock function. There are 3 blocks. First one, ID. For here, you need to put a 4-figure number. You can put any random 4 figures here. For example, here we can put it as 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. The second one is your local time. You can, after you get machine, you can set here according to your local time. Here we keep it like this. This is China's local time. The third one, this is the expiry date for the password. For example, if you put it as same day today, this is today in China. If you put this as expiry date, you turn off machine, and when you open it again, it will require a password, and this is expiry date. This is ID. For password, we will send you a such app. Here, put the same ID with machine. And here, as the machine is expiry today, so here you can set a new date for client. If client pay for you for another month, you can set another month. You can set next month. So it means it will generate a new password, and this password will be useful for from now till next month. Get password, and here put the new password. It will be valid for another month till December 5th. If you are selling this machine, you don't need the password function. You can set ID as 0, okay, and set as expiry date also as 0, okay, and turn off machine so customer can use the machine forever and he will never use the password.